Hi there, everybody. This is Trail Rider 570. I know it's been a minute since I posted. Hi there, guys. This is Trail Rider 570. I thought it was time I did a review of my Ranger 570 right here, and what I do like and what I don't like. The list of what I don't like is very short. I will we'll get started with that here in a few minutes. So I'll see you in a few. Yeah, I'm back with you. I thought I'd do a review because it's just time. Obviously, here's my Ranger, Trail Rider 570. My YouTube logos will be here pretty quick. Things that I do like and the things I don't like. The things I don't like are really short. I do not like the tires, which I'm going to run these till they're no good. No sense putting tires on it until I need to. You can see they're already starting to wear right there. The front tires are. So eventually I'll have to put new tires on it, but I'm going to put some terabytes on it. There's not a whole lot I don't like. It's been a great machine. It's got 2,800 miles on it now. I personalized some of it myself. You can see there's where I keep my spare dry belt from Polaris. They sent me one free of charge. I put a wiper on it, of course. I put these handles on here, which do help. I put a set on each side. You can get these at Lowe's for like 20 bucks, so they're not that expensive. The rear tires wear good. It's just the front steer tires that are wearing. The back window has been good. I have a company contacting me. If you watch my review video, you'll see that they've contacted me on there about doing testing out some of their products. So I agreed to it. So I'm going to be partnered up with them. This is the plastic window. Then obviously I have a glass window in the front. It's the only way to go, put a glass window shield on it. I put these lights on the front, and I got a little light bar right here. And if you notice, the lights are turned out on each side. What they do is at night, when I got my headlights on high beams, if I'm riding a trail or whatever, I turn these on, and these will shine to the edge of the trail. Then this little light bar shines ahead, so it lights up the whole area pretty good. Then well, right here, see there, I gotta fix that. I'll put a little goop on it, but of course I put a Harbor Freight Apex winch. Never had to use it, and that's the idea of it, is put a winch on there to pull somebody else out. This little stool I made here, this is from my wife rides with me. She puts her legs on it. Then when our Yorkie's with us, you saw my Yorkies on the videos, this is his rug. She can sit with her knees, and he can sit in her lap and look out. Then I put right here I can hook this leash into it so it doesn't fall out. I had a company make my graphics for me, my stickers for me, and now I'm just waiting on my YouTube. These boxes I got from Lowe's for $37 a piece, and I carry air compressor, a tow strap, tire plug kit, stuff like that. And this one here's got a strap to go around the tree, and that's about it. I got my Copen fuel pack here. Never had to use it, but on some big rides I do fill it up just in case. It's not for me, it's for somebody else needs it. Like I say, on the tailgate here, this is my second complaint. If you notice right here, the latch, if this tailgate slides over, see it hits right there. just like that. Then of course, if you follow my channel, you know I've had issues with the clicking in the rear end of it. And what it was, I took it to Babbitt's, who didn't fix it right. They put new axles in it, replaced both rear axles. Well, that wasn't the issue. It was the brake pads. The brake pads have a square hole and you got a round pin. And after a while, they start clicking. Yeah, I'm back at you. I shouldn't do the whole spiel on my phone. My camera shut off. But no, this has been a good machine. Other than, like I say, the brakes in the back clicking, and I fix them myself. I put spring kits. They're kind of dark here for a minute, and I'll show you what I've done. I have these kits, and I've been putting them on units up here for people. You see, I got right here, I got 4 blue springs. See how big they are? Right here. What we do, we put these between the brake pads, and then it pushes the, oops, I dropped it. It pushes the pads apart, and it takes the clicking on the back end. And right there it is. There's a kit. Actually, this, yeah, right here they are. But these kits is what I put. It takes, and I get my springs like so. You can see them, I got them all different size. Then I just cut them down to whatever I need. But I get these springs at RC car hobby shops, and they work pretty good. So, and I use the Team Associated stuff. These are off stadium trucks, buggy springs, and we just cut them down to fit. So that's the springs I've been using. Right here, some buggy springs, and they got just enough, and the heat doesn't mess with them and anything like that. So that's about it for my quick review here, guys. I had to restart because for some reason my camera shut off. But it's been a great machine. If you're new to my channel, it would help out an awful lot. Subscribe to Trail Rider 570, and I'll do more of these reviews and how-to videos on these Rangers. I actually got a Ranger 900 that's going to be coming up, and I'm doing the brakes on it. I've done a 2018 570. Now I'm going to do a 900. So if you like content like this, hang with me, and I'll see you on my next video, and bye bye for now. This is Trail Rider 570 signing off. Bye bye, and God bless.